There it goes. You just missed it.
Cool.
It's a good thing I caught it on camera.
That's how enough.
That one's really dark, eh?
Yeah.
Darker than the other one was.
Australorp then.
No, it was in a blue egg.
Then the Australorp cross.
Oh, really? It's an Easter egg for Australorp?
Could be. Easterlorp.
And then there were two.